PU Leather Upholstery. This item benefits from an extended 90-day return window. Beech hardwood frame, multiple frame support cables, threaded support bar. 2 inches high-density foam deck, water oil-resistant PU leather upholstery. Tabletop dimensions: 73 inches by 28 inches height, adjustable, 25.5 inches by 33.5, folded, closed table, 37 inches by 28 inches by 7 inches. Table weight: 31 pounds, 400 pounds working weight capacity. Includes threaded support bar, 2-year limited warranty. Features: Beech hardwood frame, adjustable table height, multiple frame support cables, threaded support bar for added stability safety, 2 inches high-density foam deck, water oil-resistant PU leather upholstery, no tools required for assembly, intended use for basic immobile massage therapies. Top reviews from the United States. Great value. Bought this to aid in PT. Well worth the $99. Easy to assemble. Surprisingly solid and comfy. I am 510,170 and feel like I have plenty of room to do PT on it. Not sure I'd want to take it down every day, but doubt it would take 5 minutes with practice. Looking forward to the day that I do get to put it away for good.